Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have downloaded a template kit from Envato Elements, but you are not sure how to import it into WordPress, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process in 2026. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to import your template kit and get your website looking exactly like the demo. So let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Here you can see my dashboard here, and we have to add a new plugin. Click on plugins and add plugin here. Okay, now search Envato Elements. Okay, you can see this is the template kit import by Envato. Just install now here. Click activate. Some template kits may also require additional plugins. You will see these later during the import process. Now go to this plugin here. You can see the template kit here, and you can simply upload your template kit zip file here. I'll copy the path from my folder. Okay, now let's choose our template kit. I will choose this. After uploading the kit, you may see a list of required plugins. You can see the install requirements here. Click on it. And simply they have the requirement plugins here. So just install above the selected requirements. Click on it. It will start to installing. You can see might some unselected error. This plugin installing error, but we also successfully install all the plugins except this one. So we can manually install this plugin. So let's close this. Inside the kit dashboard, you will see different items like pages, headers, footers, sections, global style. You can see lots of pages here. Starting by importing global kit styles first. This one. Click on it to importing the file. Then we need to import our header. You can see the header one. Let's import this one. Let's import footer also and pages. Our header is successfully import. Now let's see the footer. And some pages like about, case studies, blog, services, team, testimonials, contact form, all the pages you can easily import. Now we have to assign the header and footer. So we have to go on Kit here and you can see the theme builder, click on it. Here you can assign the header and footer templates to your website. Click on it, the header, and add header. Click on header title. You can select the title. Header title is create template. Now let's click on footer here and doing the same thing. I will set the footer, create template here. Select this header one, choose global style. Well, let's check it first. Look, our template kit not showing there because we have to add it first. So let's set the home page. For adding the home screen, first we have to create a new page. Add page here first. Then name it home and publish it. Okay, now click on this add button, add block, browse all. Okay, sorry, we have to edit with Elementor first. So leave it. Now you can see the Envato logo here. Click on it and choose this installation kit and insert the template here. Something's fishy. Okay, let's insert the home one. And that's it. You have successfully imported an Envato Elements Template kit into WordPress. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorial. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.